नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Welcome all the Sarvangapeta Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedar, devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, sitting with us in Nityananda Sabha, in Bangalore Adinam, and all over the world through two-way video conferencing, Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, having Nayana Diksha. Cities sitting with us, having Nayana Diksha, a long list. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. We are celebrating 14th anniversary of Nityananda Sangha. I should say more of a Bangalore Adinam campus, because much before the Bangalore Adinam campus, I built a Erode Adinam campus, and much before the Erode Adinam campus, Mata Vipudanandapuri built Thiruvannamalai, a Pavazhakkundru building for me. And we should say it's more of a Bangalore Adinam's anniversary. Actually, Nityananda Sangha started when Nityananda started.
Nityanandam Nityanandame, Anandam Anandam Nityanandame, Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame, 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 Govinda Gopala Keshava Madhava Narayana Rajiva Lochana Adi Sanadana Nityanandam Anandam Anandam Nityanandame, Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame, Nityanandame.
This campus is completing 14 years and entering into 15th year. Today is also supposed to be my birthday as per the English calendar. As for the English calendar, supposed to be the birthday. And in those days we used to celebrate this day as also one of the Jayanti. We used to have two birthday celebration. Then I decided we'll follow only Vedic calendar. And as you all know, just now, few days before, we had this grand celebration as per Vedic calendar. So my love, blessings for the people who celebrate the English calendar New Year. Happy New Year 2017. My message for all of you in this day: creating new species. For what Vivekananda visualized, Maharshi made every possible attempt. Aurobindo acted incessantly. By the grace of Sadashiva, I already made that into reality. This year is dedicated to creating new species. Giving a breakthrough, giving a positive breakthrough to humanity. Creating at least few thousand beings who live, experience, express the state, space, and manifest the powers of Sadashiva. Making Sadashivatva as lifestyle reality, at least for few thousand people this year, by making them as new species. Understand, it is not just about power manifestation, it is about giving a breakthrough to human consciousness. And this whole year is all about creating new species. I should say with all my integrity, I am boldly talking about it because I already established the science is successful. Science is successful. I already have few new species manifesting Sadashivatva in front of you. I already put them forth in front of you. Not only you are manifesting many powers of Sadashiva, who continue to manifest more and more various powers of Sadashiva and Sadashivatva. It's like literally every day one power is manifesting. Of course, it is little late than our original plan. My original plan was to finish last year itself all the 400 powers. Now I'll do it. It'll be done. Of course, if I had to manifest it in the air, I would have done it much before. Because I have to manifest it in the human beings, and human beings are needed. So I needed some cooperation from your side also. So it's taking little time as usual. Science is successful. Sadashivoham results show 85% of the participants are manifesting at least one power. We have done 3 surveys which participants personally wrote in their own hands. The compilation of that surveys results show 85% has started manifesting powers. You need to remember, it is just new people entering. Only around 50%, less than 60%. Around 50% people are only people who have done already some program. Almost 50% of the people are new entrants, just walked in. And the whole 85% did not even make the basic commitment, the vegetarian lifestyle. I tell you, to manifest powers, you need a basic commitment, at least vegetarian lifestyle. Even that was not made by all. %85% of the participants. But even then, so this shows very clearly success of the science of Sadashivoham. This whole year is all about making new species, what Vivekananda visualized. Yogananda yearned. Maharshi Mahesh Yogi tried. Aurobindo worked. For what all of them worked, by the grace of Sadashiva, it is already reality. It is already reality. Nava Atma Vikritis are here. New beings, new spiritual beings, new species. I'll also prove medically, scientifically, by doing enough of studies, researches, documenting it. The beings I am producing by manifesting powers are literally new beings. It is not just evolved or grown new. You will see the strand of DNA which is completely alien, which is completely new, non-recorded, non-observed, non-documented, completely new. Which can be programmed just by will. And soon, very soon, all this paperwork, research work will be presented in front of you. Hoping we will do it in this year itself. Because now we have enough specimens, new species, we can do the research and put it in front of the world. And I formally invite, oh humanity, I am ready with the science. Come, become new, evolve to the next level. This clarion call is my message for the humanity this year on 2017 January 1st. This clarion call, I am ready with the science. O humanity, come and become new species. The way the powers are manifesting and the way the new species are responding and manifesting, it's not only exciting to them, it is exciting for me. This Bengaluru Adinam is a place for creating new species. It is not just a place where yoga meditation is taught or living and how to live is taught. Here, new life is grown. New species are grown. Most sacred work is happening in this campus, in the whole universe. Everyone puts a single stone to construct and complete this campus, or even helps to keep this campus clean. Everyone, whoever directly, indirectly supports this campus, are showered with energy, power, wealth, health, and blessings. If you are born in Kanchi, Mukti. If you have darshan of Chidambaram, Mukti. If you die in Kashi, Mukti. If you remember Arunachala, Mukti. Even if you remember the person who remembers this Kshetra, you will have Mukti. First time in the humanity, this Kshetra is going to produce, already producing, going to produce new species and send them all around the world. The new species will be produced from this campus and sent all around the world as my personal Utsava Murtis. I always feel I should put a number and work only then. Even I will be reminded. So this time, 2017, at least 2017 people manifesting all the 400 powers of Sadashiva. Understand, last year I asked only 400 people, and many are fortunate enough to become part of that and started manifesting, whether 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever. Now it is time. The whole science comes to reality. Now we have enough time. And I also want all of you to know, almost whole year I am going to reside in this campus this time. Almost whole year. Other than this Kashi Rameshwaram Yatra, which may take some less than 50 days, the Kalpataru Yatra, almost whole year I am going to be residing here. Creating new species and building this campus, constructing this campus. This too is going to be this year main activities for us. Oh humanity, I am ready with the science. Come, become new species. The days are over where living enlightenment and radiating enlightenment used to be the message for the years. Now those days look far remote, long ago, once upon a time, where the messages are more about words and new truths, concepts, theories. People trying to experience, catch up with some Satori, some Kundalini awakening. It is time. Understand, till now, I have not opened the suitcase I brought. Only the feet dust the dust of my padukas have been used to identify and brand me. Now this year I am opening my suitcase. New species are the first product I am taking out of my suitcase. Understand? So in a way, I am starting the mission only now. What far I came, I am starting only now. All these years I was identified, glorified, critiqued, criticized. Whatever action, reaction, everything was only based on the dust which came along with my padukas. Only now I am opening the suitcase I brought. The first nuclear bomb is new and clear species. I'll shock and surprise humanity by demonstrating this new DNA which will be named as Nityananda DNA. I'll surprise and shock the humanity this year with this new DNA. It is literally new DNA. Don't think it is growth of the human beings. No. It's literally new DNA. And first time released in the universe. So good news I have for you. This year we will scientifically establish Nityananda DNA. The great news I have for you is, any incarnation, if he has managed to enter into 40, after that, his lifespan is free will. No enlightened being incarnation crosses 39. If they cross, then they live forever. It's actually the ability of the body to hold. So, the great news is, I'm going to live at least 126. You can rest in peace. I am not going to rest till 126. Don't worry. The best news is, this is the best news. Best news for my disciples and supporters and sympathizers is, I am back to working 20 hours lifestyle. Even though 1 or 2 days I rested, body is fully active, cooperating, energetic for 20 hours a day schedule, 21-day program. Understand, in early years, body used to work for 20 hours a day, but no power manifestations, only initiation, energizations, satsangs. Then, Kundalini awakening, power manifestation, initiation started, but 20 hours body will not be able to handle. Maximum 5-6 hours. Now, quality and quantity both. Going to Kashi Rameshwaram is just to pay my gratitude to Sadashiva to start this work of creating new species. All right. Spoken enough. It is time to start the work. I am also opening the Kashi Rameshwaram Yatra to all the inner awakening grads. Whoever wants, you can participate. It will be air conditioned, restroom attached buses, free for anyone who want to participate. I am opening it only for inner awakening grads, just to maintain the spiritual purity. But even if you are not inner awakening grad, you have done Shuddhadvaitam, if you have completed Shuddhadvaitam, Kumbh Mela, I can open the doors for you. Later on you will hear from the people who participated in the Kashi Rameshwaram Yatra, this was much more powerful than Sadashivoham. Because the experience they are going to have, the kind of a time they are going to spend with me, initiations and energizations, and the kind of the people they are going to meet, the entanglement they are going to experience. Understand, if you are here in the Bangalore, Biddi, Bangalore Adinam, you will only see people who come to see me. In Kashi Rameshwaram Yatra, you are going to see people to see whom I go. Understand, there are many who come to see me. There are many who don't need to come. Just if they call, the call is so powerful. I have to be there. I have to go. You will see those beings for whose sake even mountain moves. You are going to see that kind of devotees for whose sake I go to see them. The kind of the people you are going to meet, the entanglement you are going to have, it will be 10 times more powerful than Sadashivoham 2016. We originally planned from January 3rd to February 20th. Now we are postponing for few days because I am doing special initiations for the new species I am evolving. Balasans and Adinavasis are going to have some new initiations. I am staying back for that. Once the initiations are done, any day, just before half an hour I may declare, come on, let's start, it is time, we will start. So anybody wants to join the trip, you have to be here by January 3rd, means day after tomorrow, morning, at least before satsang. So from that day, any day we may start. I do not know the exact timings. All that will be announced later. But one thing I can be sure, you can tell you are home and come, you will come back only as Sadashiva. சொல்லிட்டே வந்துடலாம். You can directly show up here on 3rd if you are IA grad or completed the Shuddhadvaitam in Kumbh Mela, not ran away. This ran away means jumped out of the pot. So I also accept all the offerings, Nevedyams kept by Nityananda Annalaya, Bangalore Adinam. All the offerings kept by other branches, ashrams. I accept everything. Please give this as prasad to everyone. That's all for now. Let's start the work. So, my message to the whole humanity on January 1st, 2017 is, "Oh humanity, I am ready with the science of making new species, and I already established the science works by producing the specimens, models, masterpieces. Come, become a new being." I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.